Hello everyone, welcome to DigiLearn Community YouTube channel, and this is Nutan Kumar, and I hope everyone doing great. So today I come up with some other recruitment process from various organizations. So before going in detail, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified whenever I upload any video. And do like, share, and comment below if you have any queries. Don't miss to subscribe, okay? And yeah, without any delay, let's get started. Today we'll see Cognizant hiring process and test pattern and what will be the selection rounds and everything. Hiring for 2021 pass outs, updated pattern and everything. Let's move on. Firstly, we'll check with academic criteria. Candidates should possess at least 60% throughout the education, class 10th, 12th or diploma or BA or BTech. No active backlogs are allowed entire recruitment process. Education gap of up to 1 year will be allowed. So this is about academic criteria. Let's note it down. And next we'll check with role and package. Cognizant will hire for the job role programmer analyst trainee with package of 3.38 lakhs per annum, and this is an on-campus recruitment process by visiting colleges. Okay, so this is about roles and package. Next is Cognizant recruitment process. There are 3 rounds in Cognizant. One is online test, usually on AMCAT platform, and next will be those who clear online test will be eligible for technical interview followed with final HR interview. So these 3 rounds you need to familiar. Okay. Next we'll check with Cognizant online test pattern, updated pattern. It consists of 4 sections: quantitative aptitude with 16 questions to be answered in 16 minutes. And next section will be logical reasoning, total 26 questions to be answered in 35 minutes. And next, verbal ability English, 22 questions to be answered in 18 minutes. And finally, automata fix coding questions, total 7 questions to be answered in 20 minutes. This section, you need to be very careful in this section. You'll be having less time here, only 20 minutes to answer 7 coding questions. So, and very easy questions, very basic coding questions. Okay. This is about Cognizant online test pattern. Next is Cognizant online test key takeaway points. Please note it down. Test reform, aspiring means AMCAT 90%. Okay, this is for sure. They are going to conduct for AMCAT only. And no negative marking. And no intersection navigation. You can't skip or you can't come back to previous question. So this is one bad thing actually. And every question is mandatory, you can't skip. Questions once answered can't be reviewed or revisited. This is one minus thing in Cognizant. You can't come back or you can't move. Okay. You should answer and you need to move. That's it. So we'll see the online test syllabus for Cognizant. For quantitative aptitude, you'll get questions from numbers, profit and loss, partnerships and averages, time and work, permutation, combination and probability, percentages, SI and CI, ratios and proportions, algebraic expressions, surds, indices and simplification, time, speed and distance, and finally functions. This is the syllabus for quantitative aptitude. And next will be the logical reasoning. You'll get questions from coding and decoding. This is very important actually. You'll get more questions from this coding and decoding section. And series, analogy, add man out and visual reasoning. Data arrangement, this is time consuming. And blood relations, attention to detail, clocks and calendars, cubes and direction sense, data interpretation, this is also time consuming, data sufficiency. Next one is verbal ability, reading comprehension, time consuming. You'll get around 2 passages, okay. And sentence correction, error spotting, vocabulary, sentence completion, para jumble, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, articles, prepositions and interrogatives. So this is the syllabus for verbal ability. And next final round, automata fix. Final section, automata fix, coding questions, code reuse questions, compilation error, logical error. You can choose any one of the following languages: C, C++, or Java, and Python may be available. Okay, so this is a complete syllabus for online test. Okay, and just follow this. That is more than enough to clear this. Okay, so this is about Cognizant hiring selection process, online test and test pattern, everything. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions or any queries, you can comment on comment section. I'll try to answer. And if you like this video, please do like, share. And subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. And please subscribe. Thank you.